Good morning, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, well, good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Yes, children, good evening all. How many of you? Yes. The first question I'm going to ask here is, how many of you done with your worksheets? So how many of you done with your worksheets?
The last few questions are left.
So I'm nearly done.
I request every one of you to submit in the Google Classroom. How many of you submitted there?
So just a few questions left, sir.
What about others?
So from
The same, sir.
questions are left.
Sorry?
So even like for me, a few questions are left.
Hmm.
Sir, I have 5 questions left, sir.
Hmm.
Can you give me time to complete?
Today is the last date to submit that. You can't take extra time, Bhargav. Okay.
Yes, sir. I submitted today.
No, actually, then what did you do these many days?
Sir, I was completing it, so like I didn't have any time, so I did 3 to 4 questions per day.
Hmm. What about others? What about others?
Sir, my 7 questions left, sir. I'll be doing and submitting by 9 or 9:30.
Hmm. What about others? Everyone, I need to see. Still, who didn't? Kaji didn't respond. Nitya didn't respond. Aditya did respond. How many problems you solved? Tell me.
Sir, sorry I joined late, sir. Actually, I had a little bit of problem. It was taking time to join. That's why I joined a little bit late.
Okay. How many have you done with the worksheet, Tanya?
Sorry, sir.
Have you done with your worksheet?
Yes, sir. I still have like 5 questions left. I need to complete those. Sir. After that, I will upload it.
Okay. Okay, we will start with the questions today. Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I might have joined 2 minutes late today, sir, because McAfee was like your personal info was at risk, and also
Sorry,
uh,
I didn't get
I
you.
had to. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I was 2 minutes late today, sir, because like McAfee was like your personal info is at risk. So I was checking and verifying that.
You only texted?
And McAfee said that my personal info is at risk. A
Okay.
McAfee pop-up came.
Okay. Okay, all right, not an issue. Chalo.
Sir, shall we start the
Yes.
class?
Look at this here, guys. How please. Actually, the problem is like मेरा पेन से है, ठीक है. Continuously, I'm not able to write this. Yes, not an issue. I'll just manage it. Yes, बेटा देखो मैंने बोल रहा था आपको ये होता रहा. Like everyone, open your NCERT textbook today. Solve all those questions.
Sir, my textbook tore, sir.
ठीक है, those who still didn't solve, please finish it up first. That is also a kind of homework to you all. ठीक है, हाँ.
Sir, my textbook tore.
Toad. You
Yes,
can't say
sir.
textbook toad, that toad, paper toad, pen toad, right? You can't say all
You
those.
can open it online.
You can open in online as well. Textbook toad anta textbook toad, huh? Look at this here. Bhargav ji, we won't accept all those.
Yes, sir.
So find the surface area and total surface area of a cuboid. Which
So you
length?
didn't share your screen yet.
My goodness. Look at this. Which has length of 80 centimeter, 40 centimeter. centimeter length, comma, breadth 40 centimeters, and height 20 centimeter. Okay. So what is the answer of this? Make it fast.
Sir, lateral surface area 4,800 centimeters square.
Yes. Replay to the question separately, please. Okay, everyone, please open your chat box and just give the answer there. And yes, once you're done with the answer, please, you know what, ask me to check the chat box. See, please, everyone, just next. Everyone need to solve this question. Make it fast. This is the first, second, third, fourth.
Sir, check the chat box, sir. I replied for the first question.
Yes, yes. I'll, after writing this question, I'll just go for that. Keep solving this. Yes. So people have been given the answered. Okay, Vaibhav, Mohit, Aditi, okay, Aditya, okay, Bhargav, okay. Don't copy from anywhere, please. If you don't get, ask me how can we solve this. I'll help you, but don't take help from anywhere.
So can I reply for second question?
For every question, like why I am waiting for that then? For every question, keep replying that.
Sir, can you once scroll to fourth question? Thank you, sir. Sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, in order to see the last part of the fourth question, sir.
Walls
In
of
the
the
second
room.
line.
Walls
Okay,
of the
sir.
room.
Thanks.
So for the third one, can we directly send the ratio or we need to like give
Need
the
to-
explanation?
See, solve it and tell that. Directly means
Means like, can we just send you the direct ratio in the chat box, or
yes,
should we
yes, yes.
send?
The direct answers only. Solve it and send the answer. I'm not getting answers from any one of you. Many of you. Okay. Very good, Ananya. Mohit, very good. Aditya, very good, Ananya. Sujay, Bhargav, Aditi. I could see only few of you are replying actually. What about Harini, Devasri, Shreyan? Shreyan,
Sir, I'm doing some.
I didn't get even a single answer from your side. Nitya,
Sir, I replied for fourth
Kaji.
question also.
Okay.
So can you write the answers of first one, sir?
Yes. The first answer, how many of you got first answer? Like LSA. LSA, इसका LSA है 4,800 centimeter square. Total surface area है
11,200 centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
11,200. Very good. Next, so the first question. इसका surface area होता है. अच्छा, I wrote for.
Sir, you wrote for.
Yeah.
Sir, you wrote.
Yeah. That is for first one.
Sir, you can just select those and drag it there, sir.
Yes. I'll do that. Yes, we look at this here. Everyone take a snap of this. So I'll just drag that for the next time. Here 11200. Yes. We can do that, but it will mismatch, Babu. Next, what is LSA here? For the second one,
LSA is equal to 400
Sir.
centimeter square.
LSA is 400, sir.
LSA is 600 centimeter square.
Great. So find the ratio. We need to find out the ratio. What is the ratio here?
2:3.
Not T.
Huh?
Arey beta, TSA and LSA.
Sir, it's 3 is
400,
yes,
sir,
yes,
400
yes.
రాశారు.
3:2 is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
3:2.
Sir, fourth question, it's 555 rupees.
Yes.
And no. Yeah, 555 rupees.
555 rupees. 555 రూపాయలు.
So the total is 74 meters square, right?
Which yes, total area is 74 meters square. Yes, how many of you just done with this? Devasri,
Sir, and answer.
done with the questions mark. Have you solved, Devasri?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm doing fourth one, sir.
So once can you third question, sir? Yes.
You are still doing
When this ratio comes, sir,
Devasri?
find the ratio of T. Sir,
Tell me, Shreyan.
sir, can you explain this ratio, sir, of TSA and LSA?
ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు TSA క్యూబ్ కదా. వాట్ ఇస్ ద టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద క్యూబ్? 6a square కదా. వాట్ ఇస్ ద lateral surface area of the cube? 4a square కదా. అవునా కదా? రెండింటికి రేషియో అడుగుతున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఈస్ట్ పెట్టాలి మధ్యలో. ఈస్ట్ అంటే ఏంటిది? 6a square divided by 4a square.
Fraction form 6a square by 4a square.
6/4 అంటే
3:2.
3/2 కింద పెట్టినా 3:2. అర్థమైందా?
Yeah, I got it, sir. I got it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, can you explain the fourth one, sir? I tried 2 times, I did not get it.
So yes, look at this. The length, breadth, and height of the room are 5, 4, and 3 meters respectively. Find the cost of the whitewashing the walls of the room ceiling at the cost of this much. First, we need to find out the area of the room so that I can just come to know that what is the amount I need. What is the amount I need to paint that particular room? Okay, chalo.
Sir, area of 4 walls plus ceiling is equal to 2h multiplied by L plus B plus LB.
Wait. So what is the length? which is 5.
5,
Breadth, how much? 4.
4,
Height given that 3.
3
So
meters.
see, I'll be having in my room I'll be having 4 walls, isn't it? 4 గోడలే కదా ఉండేటివి. Yes, top, bottom, and like there's 2 sides. So what is going to be it will be like this, right? So area of the room which has 4 walls. ఏంటివి 2 into L plus B
2
plus
into L plus B.
HB కూడా. I need to consider H as well, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, isn't it 2h into L plus B?
huh?
So the LSA is 2h into L plus B, right?
Where you I didn't get you here. You are saying now Aisha, look at this here. Basically we are talking about a room here. You are saying for what? LSA of cuboid.
Yes, sir.
So is it total surface area, sir? Like it's a cuboid. So
Let me draw the diagram here. First you just do this thing. No, మీకు ఇట్లా అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకటి పని చేద్దాం మనం. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద 4 వాల్స్ కదా, ఎట్లా చేద్దామంటే వి సింప్లీ విల్ డూ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద 4 వాల్స్. రూమ్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది కదా. సో 1 2 3 4 నేను నా రూమ్ చూసుకుంటే చెప్తున్నాను. 1 2 3 4 చలో. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద 4 వాల్స్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి లైక్ ఇట్స్ లుక్స్ లైక్ as you said that, okay, 2 times of height, okay, height into L plus B. This is what you are talking about, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
2 times of height into L plus B. అదైనా ఒకటే కదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు 2 into height ఎంత 3 into L how much 5 plus breadth is how much 4 given, right? So 9 into 654 square meters. Okay. Now he is talking about what? For find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of that much. Okay, he is talking about ceiling, right? What is the area of the ceiling? Area of the ceiling etla? What is the area of the ceiling? Like top part will be like this, right? The top part.
Sir, LB.
LB.
Sir, LB.
It looks like rectangle. So area is what?
L into B.
L into
To be, sir.
Area of the. See, నేను ఏం చేశాను నేను sides చేశాను. And top I'm just considering now this top looks like what? Rectangle. So నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఈ top area of the ceiling is equal to what? Length into breadth. So yeah. So what is length here? 5. What is breadth here? 4. 5 4 20 square meters. Okay. నాకు ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ ఏరియా ఎంత? దిస్ ఏరియా ప్లస్ దిస్ ఏరియా హౌ మచ్? నాకు టోటల్ ఏరియా తెలుస్తేనే కదా దానికి ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుందో అని చెప్పేది. आपको जो लाइक
yes, sir.
पूरा एरिया पता होगा तभी तो आप लोग बोल सकते हो हाँ मुझे इतना पैसा चाहिए उसको पेंट करने के लिए, isn't it? Like you should know the total area, then only you can know that yes this much amount I should invest on that to paint. Okay, total area. So 54 plus 20 square meters. So 74 square meter. This is a 74 square meter. Okay. So and he has given that per 1 square meter. Look at this. How much? At the rate of 7.50 per 1 square meter, that much. then 74 square meter is going to give you what? 74 into ఒకదానికి ఎంత? ఒక స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ కి 7.50 మా 7.5 రూపీస్ అంటే 74 దానికి ఎంత అవుతుంది? 74 into 750 divided by 100 ఇలా చేయండి. ठीक है, so yes, calculate this, you will get it very simply. లేకపోతే 74 into 7.5 చేయండి కూడా 555 వచ్చేస్తుంది. 555 రూపీస్. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఎస్, ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఏరియా. అసలు దేని గురించి మాట్లాడతారు? ఒక రూమ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది? క్యూబాయిడ్ లా ఉంటుంది, అవునా కదా? అక్కడ ఏంటిది? నేను ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ నా టాప్ ఏంటిది? టాప్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్. టాప్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్. సో నాకు టాప్లో ఏముంటుంది? ఒక హైట్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక బ్రెడ్త్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఎల్ ఇంటూ హెచ్ అలా చేసేసాను. నువ్వు ఉండే రూమ్ చూసుకో ఇప్పుడు. జస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద రూమ్ అండ్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద సీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రూమ్. హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్? ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ వాట్? Rectangle. So what is the area of that rectangle? Length into breadth. So I got that. Now what is the area of the four walls? ఇప్పుడు సీలింగ్ దీని ఏరియా ఎంత వచ్చింది? 20. ఇప్పుడు సీలింగ్ కదా, అంటే ఇది సీలింగ్, దీని ఏరియా 20 వచ్చింది. నాకు ఇప్పుడు కింద ఉన్న గోడలు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ 4 గోడలు, ఇది 1 2 3, ఇక్కడ ఒక గోడ ఉంటుంది కదా, అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ సైడ్ ఒక గోడ, అక్కడ సైడ్ ఒక గోడ, ఈ గోడ ఒకటి, ఈ గోడ ఒకటి, 4 గోడల ఏరియా ఎంత ఉంది? What is the area of these 4 walls? कितना होता है? दीवार, 4 दीवारों का एरिया कितना होता है? 54. ठीक है, ये 54 एंड वो जो टॉप वाला होता है ना, सब मिला के मुझे कितना मिलेगा? 54 प्लस 20 74. तो एक स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर को 7.50 रुपीज खर्च करेगा हम लोग. तो 74 स्क्वायर मीटर को कितना खर्च करेंगे हम लोग? 555 रुपये, 555. सही है ना? यस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Hope it is clear. Next question. Hope it is clear with everyone. Shreyan, అర్థమైందా? శ్రేయన్ జీ, వాడు సిస్టమ్ వదిలేసి ఎక్కడో ఆట పెడుతున్నట్టున్నాడు. 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Find the ratio of surface area of the new cuboid to that of the sum of the surface areas of three cubes. Make it forward. What's the answer? Please everyone take a screenshot of this. Everyone solve that. Let me give the next question. How many have you done?
Sir, once can you please present the screen, sir?
Yes.
Once can I check my answer?
Sorry.
Once can I check my answer? This is Aditi.
Okay. One second. Just a minute. Give me a minute. You have sent the answer. Yes. I'm just.
It is correct.
Let me check. I'll tell you definitely. I'm just getting the next question. ठीक है एक मिनट मुझे just a minute. Give me a minute of time बेटा. Okay, you have given the answer. Yes, how many have you given the answer? Okay, I could see that. Aditya, Aditi, Ananya. See, the exact answer is 7:9 is the right answer. Ananya, you actually made a mistake. Check it out your answer once.
Yes, sir.
I need a response from every one of you. Arey, look at this here. Many of you are not giving the answer. What is 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row? Find the ratio of surface area of new cuboids to that of the sum of the surface areas of the 3 cuboids. 3 cubes. What he has given? 3 cubes are placed. And the 3 cubes pakapakana కూర్చోబెట్టారు అన్నమాట. They have placed. Okay. So let one side of, each side of cube is equal to a centimeter. ठीक है?
Sir, 96 centimeters square. 96 centimeters square.
Total I will be having moment.
Yes, sir. Total
Okay.
surface area.
Total like you will be having 6. Total surface area how much? Total surface area of the cube 6a.
Of all the 1 centimeter cubes, there will be 96
so 3
centimeters
equal
square.
cubes. So one, this is the total surface area of 1 cube. So I have 3 cubes here. So 3 cubes is into 6a square. How much he has given?
18a square.
So we get 18a square. How much he has given? Cuboid to the sum of the no. Look at it. This is what I get. So if you get, look at this, मेरे पास 1 cube here. Try to imagine this is a cube. Okay, 1 cube here and second cube here and the third cube here. Okay, these are the 3 cubes just we have placed side by side.
So it means there is no distance between them, right?
हाँ, साइड बाय साइड में कुछ भी डिस्टेंस, साइड बाय साइड मतलब हाँ उधर डिस्टेंस का कोई लेने देने का नहीं है, बस लुक एट दिस हियर. सो अगर हम लोग 3 क्यूब्स लाइक 3 equal cubes, if you just place it side by side, what happens?
So the length, if we add all those, the length together,
Yes, if you look at this, if you add all those cubes, what happens? बताओ मुझे. Beta, it becomes, look at it, you take 3 cubes and place it together, it becomes a cuboid. It becomes a cuboid.
It will become a cuboid, and the sides which are in front will become its length, like the
Yes,
total sum.
exactly. It becomes a cuboid and sides. Look at it. उसका length क्या होता है फिर? What would be the length? You know, if
3a.
you combine all this, so you will get a cuboid. So what will be the length? 3 times of a. Each side and 3 times, like, you know, each side is what, a, right? What would the breadth?
A, and even height will be the same.
Yeah, every side will be same, right? Yes, in cuboid. So height भी a होता है. तो मेरे पास what is he's asking for what? हाँ, find the
Total surface
ratio.
area.
Find the ratio of surface area of the new cuboid. He's asking what? New cuboid to that of the sum of the surface area of the 3 cubes. ठीक है, what he has given, find the ratio of the surface area of the new cuboid to that sum of the surface area of the 3 cubes. So sum of the surface area of the 3 cubes is how much? Let's see, look at this here one by one. Let me write here. So total surface area, what is the TSE of the cuboid?
2 into L plus
So
B
14
plus
a square.
plus L plus H.
So 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. How much you get? L to say 2 into, so LB. So
3a plus B plus
A
A
plus
plus
A square plus 3A square. ठीक है, तो 6 plus 7, so 14A square you would get. ठीक है, this is my TSA. Okay, and he is asking what ratios of their surface areas. देखो मेरा surface area of 3 cubes how much? This much. And मेरा surface area of this much how much? This much. ठीक है, so
Here I have a doubt.
just a minute, let us finish that. Let us finish that. What he has given, 3 equal cubes are placed simultaneously in a row. Find the, 1 second beta. First we have to give the ratio of the cuboid. The ratio of the cuboid is to cube surface area of the cuboid is to, so what is surface area of the cuboid? 14
15a
is to,
square.
so 2 7s 2 9. So this is what my answer. ठीक है, how many have you got this? A will get cancelled here.
Sir, here.
ठीक है, A will get cancelled even with 14 by 18. Yes, Harini, tell me.
Sir, here 3 L into B is 4a, right?
Hmm?
L into B is 4a, right, sir?
L into B 4A ఎట్లా అవుతుందమ్మా? 3 into A 3A into A ఎంత అవుతుంది? 3A square కదా? I'm not adding
Yes,
here,
sir.
multiplying, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir, I understand.
2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. So LB how much? 3A square. Here 3A square. So BH is what? A square. HL is what? 3A square. So 6 plus 7A square. 7A square into 2, 14A square. The ratio of the cuboid and cube gives me what? 7:9. Very simple question. Next question. Tell me the answer of the 7th one. Answer of the 7th one. Make it fast. How many have you done with the 6th question? Clearly understood or not?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes. Now everyone please do solve the 7th one, 8th one, and this 9th one as well. Tell me the answer in chat box. See here, now the time is 6:03. Within like so 6 minutes, each question 2 minutes. So 6 9 you must tell me the answer, everyone. Make it fast.
So I've said the answer, sir. Can you consider my second answer?
Yeah. Please, we go with the next one.
Okay.
Sir, I sent the all three answers, sir.
Very good. Okay, Devasri, Sayan, Mohit, Aditi, Nanya, no, Devasri, Aditya, Devas. Only few of you have sent. What about others? Please make it fast. Good.
Can you scroll down for the 9th question? It's not visible.
Yeah. So what I do here is now I'll just give you the answers of all these questions so that you just compare yourself. If you got wrong, just let me know whether you got wrong or not. Okay. Time up, beta. Time up. Let me give the answers. Many of you are not solving in time. देखो देखो 4 centimeters cube is cut into 1 centimeter cubes. So calculate the total surface area. So the first answer is, how many of you got 384 centimeters square? This answer, 8th answer. Or the 8th answer. The length of a hall is 18 meters with the given sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof is equal to the sum of the areas of the 4 walls. They find the height. How many of you got height as 7.2?
I got.
Is there any doubt?
So I got.
Is there any doubt in the 7th and 8th question, beta? If no, we'll go for the next.
Sir, on 8th question I have a doubt.
Okay.
They did not give the area, no sir, how they find that.
ఏరియా ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారా? ఇందాక కదా బాబు చెప్పింది నేను. Look at this.
సార్ ఏరియా ఫైన్ చేయడం కదా సార్, హైట్ కనుక్కోమన్నారు. సో ఏరియా అనేది 100% కావాలి కదా.
Okay, I'll tell you, wait. Look at the eighth one. What he has given? The length of the hall is 18 meters. Width is how much? 12 meters. Sum of the areas of the floor and the flat roof is equal to the sum of the areas of the four walls. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక రూమ్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో ఇలా. ఓకే, వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఈ రూమ్ తీసుకుంటే ఓకేనా, ఇలాగే కదా ఇన్సైడ్.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా, ఇట్లే కదా ఉంటుంది నార్మల్గా ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటే. Height of the wall is how much given? Length, I mean length 18 meters, not height, sorry, length 18 meters given, and width ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? Height of the room is width 12, and వాడు ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే వాడు ఏమి ఇస్తాడు, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లోర్, అంటే ఫ్లోర్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ ఫ్లోర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లోర్, ఈ ఫ్లోర్ ఏరియా అండ్ ద ఫ్లాట్ రూఫ్, ఇది పైన ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫోర్ వాల్స్. ఈ పైంది కిందిది రెండు కలిపితే ఈ 4 గోడ పైన కింద కాకుండా మిగతా 4 ఉంటాయి కదా, 4 గోడలు. నేను చెప్తాను ఇప్పుడు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫోర్ వాల్స్, మన హైట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నేను చెప్తాను చూడు ఇప్పుడు. 1 second, let us just 1 second, let us write all this together. మనకు సాల్వ్ చేస్తే అర్థమైపోతుంది. సో లెంత్ హౌ మచ్ గివెన్ బేటా? 18. Width, which means breadth given, breadth value 12 meters. మనకు ఇందాక surface area and roof, surface area of the floor, కింద floor and roof ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పు నాకు. ఏరియా L into B కదా, రెండు పైన like surface, I'm calculating for roof and surface area, so which means 2 times of L plus B. Yes or no?
Yeah sir.
2 into 18 into 12 ఏరియా కాబట్టి ఎంత వస్తుంది? మీటర్ into మీటర్ స్క్వేర్. సో 24 into 18 how much? Or else 36 into 12 432 meter square. ठीक है, this is surface area. Now ఇప్పుడు నాకు సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఎస్ఏ ఆఫ్ 4 వాల్స్, ఎస్ఏ ఆఫ్ 4 వాల్స్ ఇందా ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ లో చేసాం కదా. ఎస్ఏ ఆఫ్ 4 వాల్స్ ఇస్ ఏంటిది? 2 times of H into L plus B.
2 times of H L plus B.
H
LB is equal to 2H
that is what I
multiplied by L plus B.
yes, వాడు మన H ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కదా. L plus B ఎంత ఇక్కడ? 18 plus 12 అంటే
18 plus 12,
సో 30 కదా. సో నా వాడు ఏమన్నాడు ఇప్పుడు? వాడు ఏమన్నాడు చూడు, వాడు ఏమన్నాడు, this is what he has given. So which can be written as 60 times of H meter square. ఓకేనా? వాడేమన్నా క్వశ్చన్ చూడు ఇక్కడ, వాడేమన్నాడు బాగా విను. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లోర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లోర్ అండ్ flat roof is equal to sum of the areas of the four walls.
Okay, 432 is equal to 60H.
రెండిని ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు. రెండిని ఈక్వల్ చేసే సెన్స్ వస్తుంది. therefore as per the given condition from the question, 60H is equal to ఎంత బేటా? 432. సో హైట్ కనుగోలేదు 432 by 60. దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? 7.2 వస్తుంది.
Okay,
7.2 meter.
So how you have done 7th one?
7th one?
Can you once explain how to do 7th one?
7th one what he has given? 4 meter అంటే 4 centimeter cube ని వాడు ఏం చేశాడు? ఇంటూ he cut into 1 centimeter cubes. అంటే ఇప్పుడు క్యూబ్ ఒక సైడ్, అంటే ఒక సైడ్, what is the side of the cube? 4 centimeter అంటే కదా, side of the cube 4 centimeter. So he has cutting into 4 pieces. Okay na, he's cutting into sorry, not 4 pieces. He is cutting into 1 centimeter cubes. ఇప్పుడు నేను క్యూబ్ తీసుకుంటే
4 pieces.
ఇప్పుడు ఇలా తీసుకుంటే ఒక సైడ్, ఈ సైడ్ ఎంత 4, వాడు దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, ఆ 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ కట్ ఇంటూ 1 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత కటింగ్ 1 centimeter cube pieces. What it happens? నేను దాన్ని 1 centimeter గా కట్ చేస్తున్నా, అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది?
The side will be 1 centimeter. Sir.
Yes. Side will be what? Side is going to be
1
centimeter. వాడు ఏమన్నాడు, వాడు ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అన్నాడు. టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అంటే ఎంత మనకు? 6a² అంటే 6a² అంటే 6 1 అంటే 6 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్. ఏ అంటే 1 కదా ఇక్కడ, అవునా కదా? 6 సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది నాకు. కానీ మనకు సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద మనకి ఎన్ని క్యూబ్స్ వస్తాయి అట్లా?
4 సార్.
నో 4 కాదు, నువ్వు 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ ని నువ్వు కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎన్ని క్యూబ్స్ వస్తాయి నీకు? ఇప్పుడు సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యూబ్ ని నువ్వు కట్ చేస్తున్నావు కదా 1 సెంటీమీటర్, ఇప్పుడు 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ ఉందమ్మా, దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, యు ఆర్ కట్టింగ్ ఇంటూ 1 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్స్. So that how many 1 centimeter cubes I'll find? Anyone of you? Can anyone of you please tell me? See, after cutting 4 centimeter, listen to me.
So we can volume
So we
of the
need to
4
find the
centimeter
volume.
cube divided by the volume of 1
exactly, then
centimeter.
capacity. Very
So
good.
we need to find the volume of the
Exactly.
cube by the volume of
Very
the
good.
small cube.
Yes.
So we'll get 64 cubes like that.
Yes, very good. Very good, beta. Look at this here. దాన్ని ఏమంటున్నాను నేను, హరిని బాగా విను. ఇది 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ ఉంది కదా, ఆ 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ ని మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, 1 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ గా మారుస్తున్నాం. అంటే ఈ 4 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ ని నువ్వు 1 సెంటీమీటర్ గా కట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నాకు ఎన్ని పీసెస్ వస్తాయి? 64 పీసెస్ వస్తాయి. ఎట్లా 64 పీసెస్ అంటే దాని కెపాసిటీ ఎంత, దాని వాల్యూమ్, దాని ద కెపాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్, అవును కదా? వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యూబ్? What is the volume of the cube?
Sir, it's 64 centimeter cube.
So
I'm
so
asking
we
that
square
4 into
is
4. Look at it, 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times a cube, right? So almost 64 centimeter square. 64 centimeter milligram ko. 64
So
centimeter
64 centimeter
so
cube.
64 centimeter cube.
Cube, yeah. So 64 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్ అర్థమైందా? అంటే దాని కెపాసిటీ 64 పీసెస్ గా వస్తాయి నాకు ఇప్పుడు. 64 1 సెంటీమీటర్ క్యూబ్స్ వస్తాయి. సో వాడు ఏమంటున్నాడు ఇక్కడ, ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ వాట్? ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్ స్మాల్ పీసెస్. అంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను, టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఎంత, ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది చేస్తే వస్తుంది కదా. టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్?
4 into 6, we getting
384 centimeter square.
Okay.
Okay na? Yes. So next question. 9th question. How many have you done 9th one?
Done. This is
Okay.
NCERT.
9th and 10th is a home. Yeah, 9th and 10th is a homework. Okay, children. I think we have done with the class. So I have next class right now. So we'll wind up. And please, everyone, do solve your worksheet and submit to me tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
By tomorrow 5 o'clock, everyone should submit to me. I should see. You have to.
So 5 o'clock morning or 5 o'clock evening?
Evening 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now before 5 o'clock, once you send it, just drop me a message. Thank you. Good night. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good night.
Good night, goodbye, everything.